Mailchimp Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, I'm going to dive into my experience with the Mailchimp Affiliate Program, a program that allows you to earn commissions by promoting one of the most popular email marketing platforms out there. Links to the program are in the description below, so you can get started right away. Mailchimp is a top-tier email marketing platform known for its user-friendly interface, powerful automation features, and rich analytics. It's a great solution for small to medium-sized businesses looking to grow their email lists, send engaging newsletters, and drive sales through targeted email campaigns. As an affiliate, you'll be promoting Mailchimp's paid plans, which range from essentials to premium, catering to businesses of all sizes. The Mailchimp affiliate program works on a performance-based commission structure, meaning you earn a percentage of the sale when someone signs up for a paid plan through your referral link. One of the standout features of this program is that it offers recurring commissions. This means if someone you refer continues to use Mailchimp, you'll continue to earn commissions on their payments every month. It's a great way to build long-term passive income. What makes Mailchimp's affiliate program even more appealing is the variety of marketing materials they provide. Whether you're writing a blog post, sharing content on social media, or sending out email newsletters, Mailchimp gives you banners, referral links, and even email templates to help promote the program effectively. They also offer real-time tracking so you can monitor your performance and optimize your marketing efforts for better results. This program is perfect for digital marketers, content creators, bloggers, and influencers who are focused on email marketing, e-commerce, or digital business growth. If your audience is interested in improving their email marketing strategy or growing their online business, the Mailchimp affiliate program is an excellent fit. So, be sure to check out the links in the description below to join the Mailchimp affiliate program. And I hope this review gives you a clear understanding of how it works and how you can start earning commissions right away.